What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain and install WordPress on Hostinger. So here I'm on my Hostinger's homepage, my main dashboard, and you need to go to hosting. I have two websites here that I'm hosting. I'll choose this one, so if you have only one website it'll show up here. Click on it, and here it'll get me to the main dashboard, and here from the menu on the left you have domains, and click on subdomains. And now I have the option to create a subdomain. So a subdomain can be like support.theinstantnews.com or support.yourwebsite.com. In this case, my website is Instant News. So let's say, for example, support.instantnews.com, and I can create a custom folder for this subdomain. Okay, if I want to. Now I can create the subdomain, and the subdomain will be created. Now here I have one subdomain, and here it is. And then to install WordPress, go to here to the same menu, go to website, and then auto installer. And then here you can install WordPress, WooCommerce, and other services. So I'll just select WordPress, and then enter my website title, my administrative email, my username and password, and then click on next to install WordPress.